Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Mail Academy. Today we are going to learn how to convert Kerio email to MSG. Search on Google Recovery Tools Kerio Migrator. Click on Download. Install now. Click on Select Files option to select your Kerio files from a folder. Click on Select Folders option to select folders containing Kerio files. Check I am converting multiple users option if you want to convert several Kerio users' data at once. Select Kerio files folder. Check the folders that you want to convert. Click on MSG. Select Destination folder. Save messages in default folders option. Migrate source folders to existing and matching destination folders. File naming option. Trial version converts limited 25 items by license to get the unlimited access. Buy activate the software here. Detailed saving log will give you folder-wise data transfer count. Converted MSG file.